Hi friends! Welcome back to Miss Ocasio Reads. I'm Miss Ocasio and I'm so excited to read with you today. Did you know that being grumpy is contagious? It's true. Contagious means you can spread it to other people. Today we'll read a story about a pirate who was so grumpy that he made everyone around him be grumpy too. But first, ARRGH! Can't scare me this time. I knew that was going to happen. The Grumpy Pirate by Corinne DeMaas and Artemis Roehrig. Pirates aren't grumpy. Pirates never pout. Pirates smile and shout, "Aye, aye," whenever they're about. But there is one grumpy pirate. They call him Grumpy Gus. He grunts and gripes and grouses. He always makes a fuss. He wakes up in his hammock and starts his day off grumpy. "My breeches are too itchy. My pillow is too lumpy." He will not eat his hardtack. He will not drink his grog. He glares through the porthole and grumbles at the fog. The other pirates do their best to help Gus try to smile, but he just scowls and snivels. "Smiling's not me style." He skips his shift to swab the deck. He hates to coil the ropes. Instead of helping trim the sails, he mutters and he mopes. When it's his turn to take the helm, Gus whines, "This job's too tough." The other pirates finally say, "We all have heard enough." Gus moans, "This ship's too tippy. Our course is arg too slow. The deck is way too slippery. I think I'll go below." The pirates ask their queen for help. "Grumpy Gus is such a crank. Please save us from his grumpiness, or we'll have him walk the plank." The pirate queen, who is quite wise, brings Gus a special friend. "I'm giving you a parrot to help your grumbling end." Gus glowers at the parrot. He asks, "What good are you?" "What good are you?" the parrot asks, and the parrot glowers too. The parrot follows Gus around and echoes him all day. "Arrgh! Arrgh!" He grumbles and he grouches in a very Gus-like way. "Humph! Humph! I'm tired and I'm hungry. I'm cold and I am hot. I'm feeling very grumpy, so I will frown a lot." Gus wails, "This parrot's crabby. He's a sourpuss, a brat. His voice is way too whiny. Do I really sound like that?" "Sorry, Gus," the wise queen says. "The parrot sounds like you. But if you change your attitude, the parrot will change too." "I don't know if I can do it," Grumpy Gus begins to groan. But then he hears himself and says, "I'll try to change me tone." Gus tries his best at smiling. The parrot tries a beaky grin. This makes Gus start to giggle, and the pirates laugh with him. "Mates, you've called me grumpy, and I see," says Gus. "'Twas true. Now just call me Grinning Gus." "Aye, aye," shout all the crew. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's story. And remember, the next time someone you know feels grumpy, try to make them feel better as fast as you can before it spreads to anyone else. See you next time. Thanks for joining me today for Miss Ocasio Reads. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your teachers and friends. Subscribe to read more stories with me. Thanks for watching.